Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha kajing Talasi kali ke bakhamper bat ke bamjukham dayo ikot. U Deputy Commissioner kari boy u Abhilash Bharanwal ulawan mi Surok bankhmi bat sakhi hi dalade ya kajing beteng jongki Pulit kari boy ban Talasi ya ki kali ki ba penkhan an ha ka Surok ba National Highway 6 kabala pelong minta kasngi na do kapor saw baje jan mit tat hadu kapor khandai baje min mit kajinge don Ryngkat jong ute uhe officer ka district ban ai ya kajinge trailang Ryngkat ki bor Pulit bat ki bor jong ka Tnad transport kapen i ya kajing don jong ka mensiem ya trailang Ryngkat jong kini ki Tnad trai kam sarkar ban wanra ya kajing shngan na kabenta ki pat ba nonglet nongwan bat ru ban penduna ya kajing ja tingkho kali ki ba wanra bun sin ya ki jingja bas ngosi kumban chukudo dang ha kasngi baar ki Pulit kari boy ha kajing pelong ya kajing Talasi kali kabane hadu san kenta kilayo ban Talasi palat 8,000 san spa tali ki kali bat yo bandan kuna hadu pralak tingka nagi arspa tam tali ki kali ki balapen khan ya ki an nya kali ba pher ki bakan thop nadu kajing nya kali habasho khau yang kajing pendat ya ki lat LED kajing pen hair stat bat ki we habakran chikila apathai kubor UDC karibhoi district u Abhilash Bharanwal ulay thu bawat lada ya kumkini kijing Talasi la penlong na kapor shakapor hendrei ka ei kabala penlong ya u ban wan ban ya don Ryngkat kade halor kajing sngow ba ma uru kum u chairman jong ka district road safety committee ula sngow day ba ka DC office kade ban ya don Ryngkat hakum kini kijing Talasi ban long kanuksa na kabanta ban pentikna ya kajing bu renti ya kikendon an nya kali bat ru ban penti kena baka Surok kalong kabasngan na kabenta ki pat ba nonglet nongwan bat yada na kabenta kajingdu jongki mensim brio u Senior Superintendent of Police karibhoi u Vivekanand Singh Rathor uba lalam khamat ya kini kajing Talasi ulay thu ba kajing beteng jongki Pulit ban penlong ya kini kajing Talasi kadai halor kajing yo jingmut na ki babun ki pat ba ki ba ai jing ero bat kwa ba kane kakam kanyai beteng kat ba ma uru udang soi hap urathor ulay thu baha kajing Talasi menta kasni palat chispa ngot ki Pulit kilami ban Talasi kali bat baro arliang jong ka Surok ba kata kalyang ka bakiu shishlong bat ha kalyang ka bahir sha kanong ba Guwahati bat bakum kini ki jo kijing Talasi la penlong ru sha ki wei ki jaka hari bhoi bakan thop ru na do rani jirang patar khama khap mara Khanapara, Barnihat, Sning, Yam, bat Roy. Uteu he Pulit kari boy ulabu ru ya kajing maham kabating ya kinong nya kali bakani kade kakerwo kabashai bawat numpen ken ya ki an nya kali namar kajing kalong kabakong san nabaro ki.
Dua puluh kamha tu. Dah kan? खोलो on करो लाइट आगे करके करते हैं सर पहले ऑन करो व्हाट कर तो ऑन करो लाइट Lapelip mentah. होने के लिए इतना अंधेरा क्या हो गया लाइट अब नॉर्मल लाइट भी है क्यों क्या जरूरत है ये?
चलो सर, अभी आपने बोल दिया तो मैं खोल दूंगा।
नहीं, हम बोलेंगे कि
नहीं, मैं वैसे ही खोल दूंगा इसको।
क्या जरूरत है ये खोलने के लिए? हमें नॉर्मल लाइफ भी है ना। चलो भाई, किसी हिसाब से बाइक वगैरह लाए। हाईकोर्ट का गाड़ी का चालान काटा। अच्छा। नीचे चेक करो सारा चेक करो। नीचे वाला ये है, वो है, और भी है, बहुत है। गाड़ी का ऑन करो, लाइट ऑन करो। Break the light. आ जाओ।
The violations have obviously come down. However, still it's a long way to go. And what made me come down is basically the idea that with all these intensive checkings going on, DC office also felt that as the chairman of the District Road Safety Committee, we should also play our part, and that's why we are here.
No, we have been doing this checking. The day before yesterday also you guys were here. So there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one-time affair. It should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that. Our plan was also like that. So today in fact we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. So no one should think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding, because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway, that is obviously one of the reasons, but mostly either the driver was under the influence of something or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkhama, Khanapada, Barnihat, this side Umsning, Umyam, Umroi, same exercise is going on at all the stations. In fact, our Eric, the executive magistrate, he is down there in Umsning. So all the units are on road right now, and this is a strict message. Don't violate the rules, because life is more important than anything else. So that is the whole thing.
Nga DTO ngi batas ngi nilai dan lang bati ban SP ban EDC ban check igi driver gi bomdan license bati kali gi ba bu ki pata yong ki bomdeng seat belt ki bomdeng helmet ngi nilai check lot ya kata
Sizable population
nang ni sakmat nang check man laki ipor
Outside.
but
Let him
ai
speak
kuble
in
kam tam
Arabic.
e baro baki la ya tre lang Ryngkat ban check igini gi violation ba naki kali banyak kali nakaliang ga department jongi ni ai check man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba fly hi ba menakini kisni bon haki accident gija gayap ki breu bon ba yap jing accident ni nakata kadaw ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking Jisang nakaliang pa office ni MVI la shim ki driving test nang ba ya kan ni banya damit tengim jisang ju le hi ban test ni banya kali damit no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam ju hikai gitu tang ni yai pen kan mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mde ban pen me ki high beam por nya kali damit nang ba utu bawan nakawai ka site ka thaba khmat ngi ba bun sin de nakata daw sa jaga accident jingsha
ये वेस्ट बंगाल का नंबर है, इसका पेपर भी चेक करो।
wan hi da ladi mde ban ai pateng ano kadang ba ka kaniya baik ka kam jongki em jisha ya kalau nas license ni kan simport at least si banai then hadin si banai da kila anang banya kila anang ban nadong sadong tengi sa ai ka license hadin si banai
Sir Donga aro SP Sir Donga aro district administration aro police ni gata ansang jerangan ya ramauri enga chum gari rang warang jerangan violate ka enga diam rang ko pe mungna jerangan de enga chum ba churunge habi jabe ke mungna ramarang jerangan boy jake gari salinga chum warang ko chunga ni rok na gata ya administration gata ni roknya aro je akode mamung sorok rango asel ongtana gata ba mamung accident ni koborang dongtana gata public rang je akode name ramarang je akode name naman ke chum gata chunga ino ni roknya aro jeba ino ramao deken chum kemukan niam ni kita taken ar je mam tarang ba ino niam ni kosako unja oni men lakan name ramarango gari salchina aro lakan safely ongya kasami je chiri kai chum chi sokang pachina aro kemukon momolinga niam nako charchina aro name kami ramatang ko follow kai aro mamang renga chagri na ramatang ko salcha sina aro especially jerangan light rangko ongay je ke jakhali acham ba high beam light rangko jakhalinga warang kha sapai antang niam ni kita dapat sina okay jerangan mo mo